Hello friends, this is your Yashpal saying welcome back to my channel once again. So let's get started.
Taking trips, cause I never tripped on what they said. If you speaking from your heart, naysayers gon' aim for your head.
Okay, so today I am in New York. This is my room in Hotel Pennsylvania. It's 5 a.m. right now. I'm stepping out for a coffee and then to Times Square. So let's go. So here's my friend Bhushan, and there is one more guy waiting downstairs, and so three of us are going to Times Square right now. Hotel lobby is really empty. It's 5:30 in the morning. Literally nobody's here. So this hotel has three exits, one right in the front of Madison Square Garden and Penn Station, and there are two more. Wait, let me show you. It has this coffee shop over here and one gift shop right there. So other exit is one on this side, which opens at 33rd Street. Just after exiting from here, you can see Starbucks. And there's one more exit on the other side, which is on 34th Street. We're gonna exit from the front gate right now and take a right towards Times Square. Let's go out. And you're gonna see a whole different world out there. So the coffee shop I was talking about is behind. It's called Bread and Butter. So I'll go there after coming back from Times Square. On the way back to hotel, I'll grab a coffee. There's no point having a coffee right now. Anyways, I cannot have it outside. It's too cold. It's about 6 degrees. As soon as I will get the coffee and it's gonna become cold. So on the way back, I'll sit over there for some time and enjoy my coffee. So I come to New York very often, but this time only I thought of making a vlog of my morning ride. Otherwise, I usually go to Central Park for a morning ride, but it's too cold right now, so I don't want to walk in this cold weather. This city never sleeps, alright, and that's really true. I mean, whatever time I step out of my hotel, it is so lively and the lights are so bright over here. Just anytime you step out and you're gonna realize that this city actually never sleeps. Before coming to New York, I just did my Ajmer and Pushkar ride with my friends, and it was really amazing. I was tired after the ride, and next day I had this New York flight. So first day I just rested, slept for good 12 hours, and this is the next morning, and tomorrow I have flight back to India, back to Delhi. So if you want to watch that Pushkar vlog, I don't know if I'll be editing this vlog first or the Pushkar vlog first, because this vlog needs very less editing, and the Pushkar vlogs, there's a lot of content, a lot to edit. So let's see which one goes online first. This is something new. I saw this for the first time. Okay, so these are just glasses. They are reflecting the images which are there on the screens, and looks so colorful and creative. They're just glasses in the stands. Alright, so this is just 10 minutes walk from Hotel Pennsylvania at 7th Avenue 34th Street, and the best time to come here is right now, early morning. It's about 6 o'clock, and this is the best time to be here. It's empty, nobody's here. You can just walk freely and look at these beautiful screens and different colors. Amazing, isn't it? So here we are at Bread and Butter for coffee. Thank you. They make really nice coffee over here. Now look at this room. This guy has a really big room. I'm jealous of him. Look. And look, where's the washroom? Deep down there. Look, man, I'm jealous. I have a small room. So I'm going to show you my YouTube video on my YouTube channel.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your Yashpal Singh. Welcome back to my channel, Runway Rider.
Taking trips, cause I never tripped on what they said. You speaking from your heart, they say this.